The overall goal of the following experiment is to improve the procedure used to study the time-dependent dielectric breakdown failure mechanisms and degradation kinetics in copper ultra-low-K interconnect stacks. This is achieved by designing and fabricating a dedicated tip-to-tip structure consisting of fully encapsulated copper interconnects and insulated by an ultra-low-K material inside a full wafer. As a second step, prepare an intact H-bar sample using focused ion beam thinning in the scanning electron microscope. Next, establish the electrical connection and perform in situ electrical tests in a transmission electron microscope to study the degradation kinetics and failure mechanisms of the copper ultra-low-K interconnect stacks. The results show the degradation kinetics and the time-dependent dielectric breakdown failure mechanisms in copper ultra-low-K interconnect stacks.
Failure analysis is typically done after the electrical test, which is done at the wafer level or with packaged parts. This only gives a very limited amount of information on the true failure mechanism. The main advantage of our technique is the fact that we're able to follow the failure mechanism in situ in the TEM. The procedure will be shown by Yvonne Standke, our technician, Mühle, our TEM expert, and Zhongquan Liao, a PhD student in our lab.
To begin, put on an anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage to the sample. Next, mark the positions of tip-to-tip structure on the wafer. Then, use a diamond scribe to cleave the full wafer into small chips that are approximately 10 mm by 10 mm square. Fix the chips on